Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Play Store is not working. So let's get started. Well, the first thing that you can do to fix Google Play Store is not working, go to settings, then scroll all the way down till you get to apps option. So tap on it. After that, tap on manage apps. And here all the apps on your device will appear. Now scroll all the way down and look for Google Play Store. Then tap on clear data. Then clear both cache and data of Play Store. Now if clearing Google Play Store cache doesn't work, then go back to apps. Then tap on another thing that you can do, go back and instead of Google Play Store, look for Google Play Services. Then, once again, clear all data. Now go back to Home. Then go and Play Store. And normally it should fix the problem. And this is it. This is how to fix Google Play Store is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.